Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of As a Billionist Heroine, It's Normal for Me to Develop a Yandere Heroine. Chapter 31, so here it is. Let's read the story. Right now, they've been worried to Stardew. She was hurt by the beast attack. Right now, her wounds. It seems that it was really troublesome. It was too deep. Suddenly, Xiaoyang moved closer to her, strike her on the wound. Sergio said, "Do not misunderstand." Well, probably they don't know. Xiaoyang wants to heal her by using her metal vessels, her swords. Saving people is just to fulfill Xiaoyang's instruction. Right now, Stardew want to help her to cure her wounds. Xiaoyang knew that she had hurt others. She would definitely blame herself. Right now, Stardew seems that she was really shaking. Probably the wound is really painful for her. But we can blame her. Also, her friend looked really worried. Right now, Stardew, she was really in pain. But for Xiaoyang to be able to help her, use her swords towards Stardew to help her heal the wounds quickly. Well, seems that everyone in there, they're all really worried about Stardew. Now, looking at Stardew, she was calling Xiaoyang. Well, it seems that she was not really in good condition. Stardew, right now, Xiaoyang scared her. Well, she pressed her hard. Well, what is the reason why suddenly Xiaoyang becomes rude to her? Looking at Xiaoyang, she was looking into the eyes of her. Xiaoyang, it's me. Xinglu. Well, she's trying to explain herself, but it seems like Xiaoyang was not in herself. Also, Xiaoyang seems to have completely lost her mind. If this continues, she will have no choice but to take actions against her. Right now, she wants to block her. But for Xiaoyang, it turns out she got really jealous. And she was asking her, did you like her? Well, it turns out Xiaoyang, right now, she got really jealous. And for Stardew, she looks really surprised. The actions of Xiaoyang. Right now, she's asking by her. Stardew Foss, probably she don't know what to answer her. She want to call Xiaoyang, although she was blushing. Maybe she want to defend herself. But right now, she wanted to remain calm. Move closer to Xiaoyang, and she was asking Xiaoyang, are you jealous? Although I'm very happy, still don't want to add fuel to the fire now. Stardew said to her. Now Stardew wants to calm her. That's weird. What if it is? Well, right now, Xiaoyang was teasing by Stardew. Well, can she really restrain herself? If I fall in love with someone else, right now, Stardew said to her. Well, probably, she want to know if Xiaoyang, if she will really get jealous about her. Stardew said to her, what will happen to Xiaoyang? Looking at it, Stardew, she was blushing hard. And she was asking Xiaoyang about the questions. Xiaoyang, right now, seems that she come back to herself and said, you. Looking at her eyes, now, it became really. It's like Xiaoyang right now is being controlled by someone else. Start to think about it. Could it be that the person who has never responded to me is not Xiaoyang right now? Well, probably she was right. Xiaoyang, she is not responding to her. I'm so angry that I'm shaking and I can't bear to use my hands. Right now, Stardew, she really have a plan. Know what will happen to the real Xiaoyang. But right now, Xiaoyang is so cute. Xiaoyang said to her it was a movement technique. Well, could it be that she was really Xiaoyang? Now she's pretending not to be. Well, it's getting tricky. Look at the two of them. Looks really good. Xiaoyang and Stardew. It's like they're really meant for each other. But right now, Starju suddenly embraced by Xiaoyang. Xiaoyang, finally, she got really vocal about her feelings. Right now, she started to show her feelings towards Starju. Well, for the first song, the banquet was suddenly surprised. Starju and Xiaoyang suddenly got punished. Well, they really can't believe it. Where did the two goes? Well, it seems that everyone was left there. They looked really puzzled on what's happening. They suddenly vanished from a thin air. Right now, they're nowhere to be found. Well, what's happening to the two of them? It turns out Xiaoyang, right now, really gone to the another dimensions. Xiaoyang said, "Help me." She's trying to reach her hands. Until now, she can't hold on to something. Well, suddenly, Xiaoyang moved closer to her. Two of them are finally close to each other, and it seems that their feeling is really heightened. It seems that they goes back to the dormitory. Xiaoyang said it was not allowed. Well, looking at Starju, he seems to be exhausted. The wound is still painful. Right now, Xiaoyang said to her, "Don't like others." Well, it was like she was acting like a child. She don't want her candy to be taken away from her. Well, it seems that Xiaoyang, in real life, really got jealous. When someone wants to appear on Starju's life, of course, she got really angry. Right now, Starju, she was lying on the bed. She can do anything but just to follow Xiaoyang's order. Starju said, "Why?" Well, probably he was really confused. Then, what is our relationship right now? Well, Starju was right. Until now, they have no relationship status. It seems that the status is co. What identity are you using to stop me? Starju wanted to ask her a question. Right now, Xiaoyang, she was only looking at Starju. It's like she was being enchanted. For Starju right now, she really wants to cook her. Right now, she moved closer. And Xiaoyang, she was looking at her seriously. Now, the two of them are getting shy to each other. Suddenly, Xiaoyang moved closer to Starju and kissed her on the lips. Well, this is really getting tricky. Xiaoyang suddenly become tricky to her. If you're stuck here, you don't want to leave anymore, do you? Otter seems not to be fine. People want to feed them, they need stars. Comments. Well, the otter's getting trickier. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!